So it's Saturday morning here. We're gonna go for a ride and look for some rental properties. We're gonna go out to the coast. We'll see how that goes today. So you wanna hop in the back and let's go for a ride and see what we can see.
Chicxulub Pueblo.
Chicxulub Pueblo.
Not the Puerto, the Pueblo.
So guys, we're trying to go through as many little towns as we possibly can just to see the area. You know, and Jennifer and I, we like to go somewhere new, and then it looks really interesting, we'll maybe go back. We kind of like the town squares, like every town's got its own little square, you know, where they used to have little markets or where people go and hang out, or a nice park or whatever. And it's usually really nice area and well kept. Lots of flowers, lots of plants, the trees are well groomed, and it's just a beautiful area usually. So, not usually, always. It's usually always a beautiful area. So we're always looking for places like that, and we're definitely going to come back to this town for sure. So now that we've driven through here. You'll notice too that when we drive around, a lot of the homes are behind a gated area, or they have a stone wall, and the homes are behind the stone wall or behind a well-gated property. Not always, but quite often. And a lot of the places are really colorful, which I like, you know, and we like the colonial-style homes. Both me and Jennifer do. So this is a beautiful little town here, to be honest with you. Very well kept, very clean. It was really nice passing through here. destination. Not right now. Just thought we'd drive through this little town and check it out. This must be the square. Now it's hard to see, but you look right there to the right, you can see the big church. We're definitely going to come back here and walk around this little town and get some more footage.
Oh my.
So we passed a sign that said Six. That's actually a type of liquor store and a little convenience store. And also OXXO is very common in all over Mexico. OXXO is a big convenience store, and it can also be a gas station as well, but a lot of times it's just a convenience store. We actually got to turn around here. We're going to head back out. We got to get back to the highway to head to the coast, so we have to turn around and go back through the town. There is a way out, but it's not the way we want to go. We got to go north back to head towards the coast, so we're just going to zip around and go down the other one way, leaving town. So guys, we got a lot of videos coming up here pretty quick. I got some more house tours coming very shortly, as Jennifer and I are still looking for places here out on the coast. So expect to see a lot more house tours. I think we got 4 or 5 booked already today. So those will be coming up. And then we'll probably be doing some more cenote trips here within the next couple of weeks. So you can watch out for those. And then I got a beach video coming up here pretty quick as well. So stay tuned, my friends. So guys, we're coming to the end of our journey here. We really hope you guys enjoyed coming along for the ride, and I'll tell you, we surely appreciated you being with us today. 100%, both Jennifer and I. And even Cece, he's glad that you're here with us today. Thank you so much, everybody. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. Take care of you and your family. Adios, amigos.
I can't think. I can't.